Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the area and the note. This is crucial. Clean the surface with 70% alcohol and wait 30 to 60 seconds so the adhesive bonds. Once done, pick the transparent note size and peel from the short edge to avoid curling. Position the top edge first and set the corner lightly. This gives you a hinge to adjust. Press down from center outward to push air out. This first placement step determines durability and clarity, so take it calmly and precisely. You now write and secure the note to make it functional. Use oil-free pens or fine-tip markers so ink adheres and remains legible on the clear film. Avoid gel pens that smear. Once you write, press the edges firmly and glide a soft plastic card from center to edge to remove any bubbles. This strengthens the seal and improves visibility. If you layer notes, overlap less than 1/8 inch so light passes through. Make sure to smooth each pass to avoid trapping debris. You finish by inspecting adhesion and storing extras properly. If you need to reposition, peel slowly at a low angle and immediately reapply. This works best within 24 hours. Store unused sheets flat and dust-free, placed under light weight to avoid curling. When removing, pull slowly and keep the low angle to prevent residue. Troubleshooting tip. If bubbles persist after squeegeeing, lift the nearest edge, expel trapped air, and re-squeegee.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.